Hi friends, a very important message from me. I was compelled to make this video. If you remember, I had made a couple of videos during the lockdown trying to educate people, inform people, trying to spread awareness. Friends, lockdown is not over. Let me repeat, lockdown is not over. Let me say this in Hindi, lockdown over नहीं है, खत्म नहीं हुआ है. Bengali, lockdown शेष होयनी. Why are people not wearing masks at times? I'm noticing people are not adhering to the basic prevention measures, social distancing, wearing of masks, gloves, hand sanitizers. What is this casual attitude? Why don't you understand that it's for your and the entire community, entire country, and entire globe? You are also a part of it, and you are a very important aspect. You need to be a part of this thing, this war against this virus, this pandemic. You are also a fighter. You can be a leader. So why lose this chance? Why lose this chance to be great? Why don't you be great? And your greatness this time depends on your actions only. Let me repeat, that's why I'm making this video. Let me repeat this again. The basic thing, wear a mask, a double layer mask. Don't go out without wearing a mask. Again, people are putting it like this and talking, buying things, or they're putting it like this and then they're getting affected, or they're drinking tea, they're smoking. What's wrong with you? Why can't you stop it for a while or do it in your houses? So you need to wear it like this, cover your nose and your mouth. Be comfortable so that you can breathe. It doesn't cost much, only 20 rupees. Can't you spend 20 rupees? Now these are the gloves I'm talking about. Last time also I showed you. These can be washed. This can be washed. Right, see. So wear them in both the hands when you go to the market. These are simple things. Why don't people follow it? I don't understand. See, now you catch anything. Suppose I'm catching this napkin. I will not be affected because I have the gloves. I can come home, wash the gloves, wash the mask, and then I can put some sanitizer. I'm safe. Another thing, something on your head, very important, like this, because your hair, it can come in contact, and then you come and sleep on your bed, or you scratch your head and put your hands on inside, or you just pull this or put your hand inside or touch your nose and mouth. You're done with. This is very important. Look at me. Let me repeat. এই মাস্কটা পরবেন, গ্লাভসটা পরবেন, হেডগিয়ারটা পরবেন, বাইরে গেলে मास्क खुलबेन ना. ये मास्क पहनना है, ग्लव्स पहनना है, ये सर पे ये पहनना है, बाहर जाएंगे तो आपका भलाई के लिए बोल रहे हैं. टेलिंग यू फॉर योर गुड, अपना ভালোর জন্য. Okay, now some of the other things that you need to invest in and use. This is not a advertisement for any product. I don't belong to any company, and this is only for your good. So the other thing is, you can buy a Savlon or you can buy a Dettol, whatever is available. Put 1 or 2 drops in water and put it on your body, your feet every day. Use phenyl for sanitizing your house, any company. Use a soap, preferably a Dettol or a Savlon, not any fancy. Hand wash, you can use of any company, you can refill with anything. Just use it and wash your hands couple of times a day. And most important thing, carry a alcohol based sanitizer, Savlon, Dettol or some company. So you just take a little bit, put it in your hand and sanitize it. Or you can have sanitizer like this kept in your homes, and you can just use a little bit and sanitize yourself. So friends, let me repeat this again. This thing is not gone away. We don't need to panic, but we don't need to be afraid. What I'm saying is, take precautions. Because if you take precautions, you are an important part, you play an important role. You means each and every one of us. Just take precautions. Prevention is better than cure, trust me. So it doesn't take much wearing a mask, wearing gloves, right, and this headgear. That's it. So how does it take a lot? Is it a very difficult thing we are asking you to do? So I request all of you, spread this news. If needed, make your videos or you share my videos. Whomever you meet, make sure you tell them. Don't be rude, politely tell them. But make sure it spreads, like everybody follows each other. So you are a icon, people will follow you also. So make sure you keep safe, you keep others safe, and you influence people to follow hygienic and safety guidances, right? দয়া করে মাস্ক পরবেন, সেফটি গাইডলাइन ফলো করুন, ভালো থাকবেন। আপনি একটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট रोल प्ले करें, आप बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट व्यक्ति हैं, इसीलिए आप सब जो गाइडलाइंस है सेफ्टी का ये सब फॉलो कीजिए और दूसरे को भी बोलिए फॉलो करने के लिए। प्लीज़ डू फॉलो, आस्क अदर्स टू फॉलो, बी सेफ, बी वेल। थैंक यू very much. I'm happy that I come every time and present myself and try to spread awareness. We can do a little bit for people, and this is my initiative for Save the World now. That's what I want to tell you. Let's save the world. Let us all get together and do our bit to save the world. Thank you. Goodbye.